let's do a mid-size try-on haul with PENN. I'm actually working on a campaign and I'm unboxing everything. I have to try it on, prep the clothes, but at the same time, I loved showing you guys the pieces that I selected. I like to talk about the items, sort of why I chose it. So let's get going. The campaign requirements was to feature this amazing leopard print two-piece set. So this is like a bra top and then there's like the bike shorts. The website does not do this top justice. That looks awesome. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Okay, here is the workout top. I'm wearing a size 1X and these are the bike shorts in a size X. This is really, really pretty and I think it's very flattering for my skin tone too. On me, I find the shorts do fit a little bit long, but I do like the high waist and how it's like very compressive all the way around. As far as the top goes, it has an interesting feature where the back is actually shorter and there's a little bit more coverage in the front. So the top comes down a little bit in the front. So that's really good, especially if you have a bit of a belly. This is going to give you a little bit more length. I ordered this tank top in a size X to see the difference between 1X and X. So this one actually fits a lot tighter and more compressed. So I can picture myself wearing this to run. The other tank was a little bit more comfortable wearing tight shorts. I would pair this with like looser shorts because I just feel like the balance is better. I've also mentioned this before, but as a short torso girly, I can't help myself. I gotta roll the top. It's just, it is what it is. But these shorts are really comfy and they're just like very, very lightweight, but they're long enough that your legs aren't gonna chafe. There's a really nice selection of activewear outerwear right now. So this little jacket I love and it comes in different colors. And what I like is that there's an elastic band so you can kind of wear it tucked in. And actually you can cinch it even more for a more cropped look. And it also comes in a dusty rose, which I absolutely love. It's just such a great color and it actually suits my skin tone. Another requirement for this video was to feature this amazing striped tank. I love how this fits. It's like a really stretchy kind of workout material. It has a really nice length to it, but to be honest, I'm gonna tuck her in. This is probably how I would wear it. I like it tucked in. I like the combination of something tight and then something a little bit more baggy. And I've already worn this shirt and I wore it with a white skirt and it was so nice, like a white flowy skirt, because it's definitely a tank top that you can wear like almost dressed up. And because there's already a shelf inside, you don't need to wear a bra. So if you're seeing this video, you already saw all the outfits that I posted. So this is a nice linen shirt that I like to wear in the summertime just to cover from the sun. So this is the outfit that I wore for Hot Girl Walk. And it's like really nice and breathable. You can also wear this like at the beach or just like a swimsuit cover up. I just love it. It's very cozy and soft and very breathable. Okay, for footwear, I got these Skechers wide fit. They're so nice. They look comfortable. They look like On Cloud dupes. Let's see how they fit. Oh my god, they're also slip-ins, so comfy. No, like I actually love these. These are awesome. As far as sizing goes, I'm wearing a US size 8 and normally I'd get like a size 9, 9.5 depending. So when the shoe is wide, I can actually go down in size, which is nice because the shoe fits better. This is another look that I'm very excited about. The sleeveless polo is so classy. It is on the longer side, so you could wear it out with like maybe some capris. But I'm gonna tuck it into this white skirt. This white skirt is so comfortable, so cute. You could definitely wear it with that black and white tank top. And there's really nice compressive shorts underneath, no chafing. And this is my tennis look. And then stop it with these cutie little tennis socks, like cute. And then to complete the look, I got this navy blue zip up. It's nice and thin, so you can either wear it long, like that. The other way I would want to wear this is on my shoulders, but you have to zip it up first. You can fold over the front piece so it hits you at the right length. And then because it's very thin, you can do a good knot with it. It's not going to be overly bulky. There we go. I also got a couple accessories to style with. I got some socks to complete some of the looks. Oh my god, and look at these cutie frilly socks. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I'm such a sock person, so I got really excited when I saw these. I think I just hit the jackpot with this Pennington active dress. You're not ready for this. Not Pennington giving us permission to be comfortable in activewear while looking fancy as hell. What a beautiful dress. And then to complete this look, I got this mesh bag. Thanks for watching my video. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and don't forget to follow for more mid-size Canadian fashion adventures.